Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you a very savory dish that is enjoyed by everyone. That's shave. I have infused garlic flavor in this shave. And the point to note is this shave is made without any baking soda, yet it has turned out so crispy and crunchy. It's super easy to make. If you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Let's see how to make this deliciously special lasun shave. Here I have taken 3 cups of besan flour. First we are going to sieve this besan flour, and this is to ensure that there are no big lumps or stones or anything in our flour and that it gets a smooth texture. So let's sieve through the second batch as well. Having a good besan flour is really key for making shave. So look at that, there were few small lumps in there. So we got rid of those. Next I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoons of rice flour, and this also adds a nice crispy flavor. Some turmeric powder, red chili powder, and salt to taste. You can always add additional salt when you have mixed everything and you feel that the salt is less, so you can add it at that time. Now comes the important ingredient, and that's our 2 tablespoons of piping hot oil. This ensures that our shave turns out crispy. To get that garlic flavor, here I have taken 8 to 10 pods of garlic and I'm going to add them to our mixer grinder. 2 teaspoons of carom seeds, add about 1/4 cup of water and grind everything together. Now we are going to strain this mixture in our basin. You can always add it as is if you're going to use a little thicker attachment of your shave, but since I'm making a little thinner version, I strained it. So you can also add additional water just so you can scrape anything that's left. Start mixing with a spoon. Now start adding water little by little and keep mixing it with the spoon. We want the consistency that's soft. I believe I have used about 3/4 to 1 cup of water for 3 cups of besan. So just keep adding little by little and keep mixing it. Now the consistency looks good, the softness is also good. Now I'm going to remove the spoon and using my hands I'm going to start mixing it. This is an extremely important step. Do not miss it if you're making shave. Mixing it in circular motions like this helps to incorporate enough air, and that's what makes your shave light. So get your hands dirty and take enough time to get to this nice sticky consistency. Looks great. Let's cover it and let it rest for 30 minutes or so. In the interim, I'm going to grease this shave mold. So like I said, I'm using the thinner shave mold here and just grease it with some oil. Our besan mixture has been sitting for about 30 minutes. Now let's start adding it to the mold. So just as you would fill your ice cream cones with ice cream, just start filling this besan mixture to the mold. Looks good. Let's close it. Make sure that the oil is hot enough, and I had been heating it up for at least 15 minutes or so on a medium flame. Let's start making the shave now, and just in circular motions drop the shave, and you can just take out that extra or just drop it in oil like this. We are going to let it cook on one side for about 20 to 30 seconds and then we are going to turn it, and I have cooked this shave on a medium to medium high flame. Cook it on other side for about 20 seconds or so and the shave is done. Let's take it out. The flavor of the lasun has turned out so great in this shave. Continue making more shave and just take some time and patience and you will be done in no time. Look at that. Shave is one of the easiest, snack items that you can make. It gets done in no time and tastes so delicious. And you can always incorporate different flavors like, palak shave or even methi shave or mint shave. Each flavor turns out great. Look at that. So delicious, and they are super crispy as well. If you've enjoyed today's recipe, please don't forget to share your valuable feedback. Have a great day.